Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly weather briefing for this November 18th, 2019. As highlights, I'll talk a little bit about how we're starting off cool and dry, and we're expected to continue dry through the middle of the week with a warming trend. Rain chances do look to return to the northwest on Thursday and then become more widespread Friday and Saturday. A return to cooler temperatures and dry weather is expected Sunday and Monday, and I'll give a brief tropics update. For today, we just had a dry, reinforcing cold front move through the area, and we'll have a high pressure centered at the surface over the southern plains that will begin building into our area. This will keep us cool and dry today. Temperatures look to top out in the upper 50s to the north and lower 60s elsewhere. Our normal highs for this time of year run in the lower 60s in the north to the upper 60s in the south, so you can see that we're going to be slightly cooler than normal today. As we get into tonight, we'll still have some high and mid-level cloud cover around the area, and our temperatures will generally be in the mid to upper 30s and then into the lower 40s. The normal lows for this time of year run into the upper 30s to lower 40s, so our temperatures tonight will be around normal. High pressure will continue to dominate Tuesday into Wednesday as it shifts east across the area. This will give us a light return flow on Tuesday and start the moisture increase back into the area. The temperatures will also be warmer on Tuesday as we warm into the mid to upper 60s in the northeast and lower 70s elsewhere under mostly sunny skies. High pressure will continue to shift east of our region on Wednesday and will begin to look to the west as the developing low pressure system takes place over the plains. Getting into Thursday, this low pressure system will approach our region from the west, and high pressure will try to remain anchored on the mid-Atlantic coast, but we're expecting the rain to kind of be limited to the northwest on Thursday. As we get into Friday and Saturday, a stronger low pressure system will replace the more stagnant one on Thursday, and this will drive a cold front across our area on Saturday. We're expecting widespread rain across our area Friday and into Saturday until that cold front clears our CWA. By Saturday night, going into Sunday and Monday, the cold front will be southeast of our area and we'll have high pressure build back in across. It'll lead to drying conditions and cooler than normal temperatures. When it's all said and done, we're expecting the greatest amount of rainfall to fall across the northern portion of our county warning area this week, with 1 to 2 inches possible across the north. Lighter amounts of a half an inch to an inch are expected across the south. This graphic summarizes what I've been talking about with the warming trend and dry weather the first half of the week, with increased rain chances, especially Friday and Saturday, and cooler temperatures and drier conditions on Sunday. Just as a brief tropics update, there is an area of low pressure that's northeast of the Leeward Islands that's showing a 50% chance of development within the next 5 days. At this point, this doesn't look to pose any threat whatsoever to the Gulf Coast region. This concludes this week's weekly weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing.